What's up, everyone? I'm Matt Darby. I'm here with Rosin Evolution. This is Hashavelli.
Completely went off script.
He's gonna tell you about what we're doing.
Today we're gonna show you how to clean your 8-bag Rosin Evolution wash bag set. So we all know that your bags tend to get a little bit dirty after not a few washes, a lot of washes. Today we're gonna be taking a bag set that has been used over 100 times, and we're gonna show you how to clean up those bags so that you get over 500 uses out of each bag set. What do you think?
You wanna make sure that they're clean.
500 what?
Wash.
Step 1, dirty your bags. This is after about over 100 uses. We're gonna do a side-by-side comparison to the new bags. And as always, we're gonna glove up. If you're in a sticky situation, glove up. When using gloves, try to find powder-free nitrile gloves. That way you're not gonna have any contaminants going in these bags.
Contaminants.
Yeah, because as we all know, these bags are gonna create what we're gonna put into our lungs. So as we open up our 8-bag set today,
You can see what color they're supposed to be.
side by side, brand new versus over 100 washes. And we're gonna show you how you can get these back to being almost brand new. Today, the two cleaning agents we're gonna be using to clean our 8-bag set is gonna be Alkanex and AlkoJet. This is a detergent powder. It's a powdered precision cleaner.
So you may be asking yourself, why use this instead of rubbing alcohol?
With isopropyl, especially the 99% that a lot of people use for dunking their nails, it'll wear down the mesh bags and it'll actually tear away at your bags, causing you to not get as much life out of them as you should. So with this, we have a biodegradable product. It's nylon safe. The second product that you can use that's similar to Alkanex is AlkoJet. This one is low foaming, so it's the one we're gonna be using today. You ready?
Cool. Yes.
Today we're gonna be doing the cleaning in a 5-gallon washer, and we're gonna be using about 4 gallons of hot water. We'll just do 1 ounce per gallon. Let's do 4 ounces.
4 ounces.
What do we have there?
116.
So this is gonna be on the heavier side, because we wanna get these clean.
I'll hold this while you pour it in there.
We have 4 gallons here that we're gonna pour into the 5-gal washer. Just a little bit over 4 ounces of the AlkoJet. I'm not gonna put it all in one spot. I'm gonna kind of spread it out, get it to the back of the tank.
So we're gonna put both of them in at the same time. We have the brushes here for spot cleaning, just in case we pull them out and we notice there's a little thicker spot down at the bottom or somewhere around the seams. 1, 2, and now they're in there.
Make sure your bags are fully submerged. And then we're just gonna close the top. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this machine on for a 15-minute cycle.
And what setting do you have the spin on?
Revolutions and the spins, you can put it on kind of the medium setting. It doesn't have to be all the way up. As we let these bags wash, we're gonna go ahead and walk you through what exactly is in an 8-bag Rosin Evolution set.
That's what I like to hear.
How's this work, Darby?
So in case you're wondering, bags are always in the rainbow coloring, Roy G. Biv. So we got the red, orange,
Who?
yellow, exactly. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, which is
No,
indigo.
blue, Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, G,
Green.
Biv. Blue, indigo, violet.
Look at
And
this
in
guy.
this case, our
so
last
proud of
bag is actually gonna be black, but it kind of looks gray under a white mesh.
All 8 of them are about to go in, so let's do it. Start with the red one.
And what number micron is the red one?
Oh, it's the 25, sir.
So these are gonna be the smallest heads. This isn't something that you really want to smoke. The smallest heads don't really carry as much taste.
And then we got the 45,
It's probably gonna be an edible grade catch.
orange. Then we have yellow, which is
73 micron.
nice.
Now we're getting into that stuff that everybody likes to enjoy in their rigs.
Green.
90
For the money.
For the money.
This one is everyone's favorite. Then we have the
Blue.
120. This one's about the end of the smokable, unless you're really going for a full spectrum, which a lot of people do these days. Then up to the
160.
160 is nice because it captures the last bit of the flavor.
This is kind of the end of anything that you're gonna wanna consume. Once again, we're gonna be entering the realm of edible grade. So this is gonna be the white bag.
190.
190U, these are gonna be even bigger heads for tinctures to melt it down, maybe a salve.
But it's all products, it's all able to be used.
And then the last is gonna be 220. This is what people refer to as the work bag, because this is gonna be removing all the contaminants, anything that you really don't want. This is gonna be the first layer of protection and refining down those heads. You can use your own due diligence to decide what microns that you wanna smoke, what microns you wanna pull, and where you wanna dedicate your different microns, whether it be salves, tinctures, edibles, or smokable consumers.
That's right.
Approved by hash makers all across the world, Rosin Evolution 8-bag sets have all the mesh you need to catch all the hash that you want to smoke, leaving all the stuff you don't want behind.
And And now let's get back to these dirty ass bags.
Darby, you ready to check out the bags that we've been washing during all this?
Yeah, definitely, but we already washed some a little earlier, so let's turn that off and check them out.
So as you can see, these have been washing for a few minutes, but still have half their cycle to go. And this is after one full cycle.
It's definitely not yellow anymore. And now it's time to give it a look through.
So it's personal preference how often you want to do this soak, but we recommend almost after every wash. At every wash, you are going to have to clean off your bags, but for a deep soak, depending on how caked up or how greasy of the strains you are working with, that's going to determine how quickly you have to do this process.
Yeah.
Hey Darby, what do you got over there? Is that a microscope?
Yeah, we did a side-by-side of some dirty bags and some clean bags. You could definitely tell that there was a lot more particulate in the dirty one and in the clean one. Well, you tell me, how did the clean one look?
All that contaminant and gunk, I was probably losing a lot of yield.
Yields just went up. Are you still washing those bags over there?
Let's take a look.
Oh, they're not done yet, but they're getting clean, you can tell.
They are, you see that water?
Yeah.
If you're viewing this at home, do not drink the water. That water looks like my Uncle Frank's bathtub water after a week at camp.
Pretty impressive how clean it got.
It actually is kind of satisfying to watch. If you'd like to learn more about this 8-bag set and everything else that Rosin Evolution has to offer, check out their website, rosinevolution.com. Everything you see here can be found in a link below, Darby.
Like, comment, subscribe.
We'll see you next time.